Welcome everyone, and thanks for joining today. In this video, I'll show you how to change the region in the Financial Times API. This setting is useful if you want to access news, currency, or regional content specific to your location. First, open the Financial Times app on your mobile device. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, scroll down through the menu options until you see Settings and Account. Tap on it to open the Settings page. After that, look for the option labeled Region. Tap on Region to open the list of available regions. Now, choose the region you prefer from the list. Once selected, the app will automatically update your content to match your chosen region. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.